Maha Cartoon TV.
A railway station full of vampires.
In a village, a boy named Sumit lived with his parents. As Sumit was going on school holidays, he decided to go to his elder sister's house. Sumit calls his brother-in-law to go to his sister's house so that he comes to pick him up. After packing all the stuff, Sumit leaves for his sister's house with a lot of excitement. Upon reaching the station, Sumit starts waiting for the train.
There's still some time for the train to come. Why should I eat something?
There was some time for the train to arrive. So Sumit takes something for him to eat. After a while, the train arrives and he gets into it. It was evening while traveling in the train. A boy named Ajay was sitting with Sumit. As both were alone, so they both started talking.
Hello, my name is Ajay.
Hi, I'm Sumit.
If I'm not wrong, then you're also going to holiday. Because I am also going.
Yes, I'm going to my sister's house. I love being with her.
I am going to my grandmother's house. I also like to being with her more.
While talking, both know a lot about each other. Also, in a few moments of conversation, both of them become good friends. The conversation went on. Only then, Ajay speaks.
Do you know that on the way there is a station full of vampires?
What a joke.
I am not joking. You should know about this. You must have kept going to your sister's house.
My sister is married this year, so I'm going to her house for the first time. And I don't believe these crazy stories.
Then you do not know all about this. I am not lying. If you do not want to believe, then it's your wish.
Okay, tell me.
There is a station in the middle of the way where we are going. It is said that there is a habitation of demonic powers.
How to believe this?
Some people had escaped from there who told about it, so nobody would dare to come down at the station at night.
Those people who had come back, they did not say how they escaped.
They said that they had burnt torches in their hands, and seeing the burning torches, the vampires ran away from them.
Means those vampires are scared of fire.
Yes, so I have arranged everything.
Meaning?
Meaning that I have kept all the stuff of burning torches in my bag. Don't know when we need them.
I don't think we will need it.
I also wish we didn't need them.
After this, the night gets deep and the conversation continues among both of them. They both felt hungry and both ate food and took some rest and then went to sleep. After a while, both of them get some noise from outside, which opens the eyes of both. And both go out to find the reason behind it. As soon as both went out, they saw that due to a technical fault, the train stopped. All the passengers went out. After seeing the place properly, Ajay's condition worsens, after which he speaks to Sumit.
Sumit, we are at the same railway station which is full of vampires.
Are you sure that we are at same station?
Yes, this is the same station.
After seeing the station, Ajay tells all the people about it. But everyone says that if we are together, then they cannot do anything to us. No one needs to be afraid. Hearing this, Sumit says,
Ajay is right. When we go together, even those cruel people cannot do anything. It is just matter of some time that all of us will leave from here as soon as the train gets fixed.
Admitting Sumit, Ajay got relieved and stands with everyone. Everyone started waiting for the train to be fixed when Sumit says,
Man, I'm really hungry. Let's find something to eat, buddy.
But somewhere in the circle of searching for food, we should not get away from all of them.
Will not be. Come on. I'm feeling really hungry.
Considering Sumit, Ajay agrees to walk with him and then says,
Wait, I bring my luggage. It is not good for both of us to go like this.
Ajay brings the goods with him and both went out in search of food. After walking for a long time, both of them do not get to eat anything. Both of them see that both have come far enough to walk. After which, Ajay says,
We have come very far. We should go back.
Yes, you are right.
Both of them decided to go back. Only then, they both got some kind of smell of food from the nearby forest. After which, Sumit says,
Dude, the smell is really good. We should go there and see.
Are you out of your mind? Do you know this is the same forest where those vampires stay?
See, if something had to happen, it would happen by now. But nothing happened, isn't it? Now don't think too much and come with me.
Both of them went out towards the forest and started chasing the fragrance of that food. After going a little far, both see that some people are doing something in the middle of the forest. Seeing this, Ajay speaks.
I can't find anything right. Why don't we hide or see?
Both hid and started looking at those people. As soon as both of them go near and see, both of them get quite shocked. Both of them see that all the people are putting big guns in a box, as well as they have a lot of terrible crazy costumes, and they were cooking food for themselves, whose fragrance was coming.
Now you understand what is happening here.
That means this is the fake thing was spread because these people wanted to hide their black business.
Yes, now we should do something.
After seeing all this, both of them go back to the station and tell everything to all the people. After finding out the truth, all the people call the police. The police go to those fake vampires and arrest them all, and Sumit and Ajay are applauded for their bravery. After interrogation, it is found that the people who had escaped from those terrorists were the people of their gang, who did all this to spread the rumor. After that, Sumit reaches his sister's house and Ajay at his grandmother's house and comes back to their house after the holidays. As well as both of them remain good friends after that and talk to each other on the phone when they get time.
Hello guys.
Do comment us that how you like this story.
Do like this story and share it with your friends too.
Bye.
If you enjoyed this video, do like, share and comment, and to be the first person to watch our videos, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for timely notifications.